Papaya from Seleno Health, and today I want to share with you the delicious decadent cacao elixir is our #1 sale, and it's really easy. You just need some plant-based milk and of course our ceremonial cacao. This time I'm gonna use a different form, which is the ceremonial cacao drops. 6 to 8 drops is enough or necessary to have your cacao dose of the day. So I have here 6, 8, and we're putting on the blender. We have 1 cup of plant-based milk. So this time we use soy milk, 1 cup. You can choose your favorite plant-based milk. I prefer soy milk, but you always can use oat or coconut. The creamiest one is soy milk. And then we add some cinnamon. It's up to you how much cinnamon you want. I always put around 1/4 teaspoon. I always love spices. The other ingredient that create a beautiful and aromatic flavor, it's vanilla. Choose always a good vanilla. And then it's at your choice to add any sweetener. I like to use coconut sugar, but you can use honey and other type of sweetener. So I put 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar, and that's it. So I'm gonna blend. So when we blend all those ingredients, the fat of the cacao and the creaminess of the soy milk bring this delicious decadent drink. And as you can see, all the bubbly and creaminess in a cup. And this is a really good way how to start your day or just have during, you know, special times. Look at this beauty. And if you want to bring more goodness, I always like to top with some maca nibs. Maca nibs is a really good way, crunchy, sweet way, if you don't want to use any sweetener, to topping your decadent cacao. And this is how we do in festivals. I like to add a lot of this crunchy little maca, and this is how you can enjoy. Cheers.